fusion energy is moving from theoretical research to industrial reality. In December 2025, Commonwealth Fusion Systems, CFS, achieved a major milestone by delivering its first production-grade fusion magnet to the SPARC facility in Massachusetts. This 24-ton, D-shaped steel-clad component is the first of 18 toroidal field magnets required for the machine. However, the larger significance lies in how the magnet is built and powered. Each magnet consists of a stack of 16 plates, known as pancakes, housing layers of high-temperature superconductor tape. The system utilizes a proprietary design called NINT, or non-insulated, non-twisted technology. SPARC utilizes a steady electrical current rather than a pulsed one. The tape doesn't require bulky insulation. This allows the electricity to flow naturally along the superconducting path, similar to skiing on fast snow instead of concrete. The result is a smaller, stronger magnet capable of containing plasma heated to 100 million degrees Celsius. This delivery marks the company's shift from R&D to factory-scale operations. With the manufacturing line now proven, the company is focused on delivering the remaining components for SPARC, while establishing the operational foundation needed to scale future arc power plant production.